Hello, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to this demonstration and test of a vintage manual conical burr coffee grinder. Before we start, if you're interested in coffee grinders, do feel free to hit the subscribe button. What we've got today is a 1930s, late 1930s, I think. I'm sometimes a little unsure what's late 1930s and what's early 1950s. Remember, of course, very few coffee grinders were made in Germany during World War II. Model number, something like a 610. 610, maybe it's a 613, somewhere around there anyway. Nice, solid, heavy grinder, Bakelite drawer. Very attractive thing. So, test is, as it always is, we're going to put the grinder on its finest setting, so the burrs are just touching. And then we're going to take 7 grams of coffee beans and we're going to see how the grinder does for both consistency and speed of grind. So that was about 29 or 30 there. Let's have a look at the grind. So compacting somewhat, I would say good fine grind, slightly powdery. Should be ample for any coffee maker. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and happy grinding.